Good morning, students. 7th standard, 6th standard social science, essay 1 revision, summative assessment revision. Okay. Then the lesson, the portion. First of all, in the portion, history, geography, civics. History lesson number 1. What is history? Geography lesson number 1. The universe of solar system. Universe and a solar system. The civics lesson number 1. Understanding diversity. The 3 lessons essay 1. Okay. The summative assessment, the exam, the 3 lessons. Okay. Next blueprint. Okay. Then first Roman choose 8 marks. Second Roman fill up 8 marks. Third Roman match it 6 marks. Fourth Roman true or false 3 marks. Answer in one word 5 marks. It is each question. Each question 1 mark. Okay. It is the 5th Roman. Then 6th Roman, answer the following is the 10 questions. Okay. 3 marks. Each question 3 marks. The total 30 marks. The 4th Roman, answer in detail the 4 mark. In the 5 mark question, each question 5 marks. Totally the 8 marks. Okay. 80 marks. 80 marks. Okay. The total mark. Total marks 80. Okay, are you clear now? Now first of all is the what is history. Okay, first lesson the what is history. History lesson number 1. What is history? What is history, ma? Then what is history? History is the recorded in the past event. The past events in the chronological order. Chronological order. Okay. It is that the term history has been derived from the great word historia. Historia is the great word. Okay. Then after in the means of the learning by inquiry. Learning by inquiry. It is a history. What is history? History means the past events. Okay. Chronological order. Okay. Are you clear now? Then it is here the sources. Okay. Then the sources. How many sources? It is the 2 sources. Okay. Then the sources of history, the 2 sources, the archaeological sources and literary source. Archaeological sources and literary source. Okay. The archaeological sources, it is then the artifact, coins, inscriptions, monuments. It is the archaeological sources. Okay. Then after in the literary source. Okay. Literary sources. Okay, literary sources, what is meant by the literary sources? The secular and religious literature. Secular and religious literature, it is the sources. Okay, the next one, it is the Ashoka, the famous king of Ashoka. It is the empire of Ashoka. It is during the Buddhism, the spread the different parts of Asia, different parts of Asia. Okay, Ashoka gave up a war after seeing many people the grieving death after the Kalinga war. After in the Kalinga war, it is even they built the hospital animals. Okay, he was who was he? It is Ashoka. Okay, Ashoka said the great empire. Then after. Okay, he was the first built hospital for animals. Hospital for animal. He was taken by he was the first lay the roads, animal hospitals. It is Dharma Chakra was how many spokes of Dharma Chakra? It is 24 spokes. Okay, 24 spokes. In our the national flag was taken from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. Okay, then the next one it is the lesson is the finished day. Then the first Roman choose the correct answer. First Roman choose the correct answers. Okay. What was that? First Roman choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. The first one, only one that choose the correct answer. This lesson is okay. What was the step taken by the early man to collected his food? Okay, the 4 actions. Okay, trade, hunting, the painting, rearing of animals. Okay, the correct answer, the man to collected his food, hunting. First one answer, hunting. hunting. Okay. Then the second Roman fill-ups. Second Roman fill-ups. Okay. The second Roman fill-ups. The old Stone Age man lived mostly that. The first one, curves. C-A-V-E-S, curves. Okay, so second one, that is the father of history. Herodotus. Okay, Herodotus. Okay, the third one, that was the first animal termed by Stone Age man. The dog. D-O-G, dog. The fourth one, inscription or dash source. Inscription or archaeological source. A-R-C-H-A-C-O-E-O-L-O-G-I-C-A-L. Archaeological source. Okay, archaeological source. Okay. The next one, Dharmachakra has dash spokes. Very good. 24 spokes. Okay, then 24 spokes. Okay. Then the next Roman, the third Roman, true or false? True or false? Okay. Then first one, the stone tools belonging of old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirapakkam near Chennai. Answer is true. Answer is true. The second one, the materials used by the ancient people or the preserved in museum by the archaeological department. Yes, very good. Answer is true. The third one, during the period of Asoka, Buddhism spread across the country. Answer is true. Answer is true. Okay. The fourth Roman, match the following. Fourth Roman, match the following. The first one, a rock painting. Rock painting. Okay, the second one, paintings. Okay, second one, written records. Written records. Written records. Third one, Ashoka. Fourth one, religious literature. Religious literature. Okay, then directly the answer or numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the first one, rock painting. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. Okay, written records. Written record. Copper plates. Then Asoka, the most famous king. The most famous king. Fourth one, religious literature, Devaram. Okay. Match the following. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. Written records, copper plates. Asoka, the most famous king. Religious literature, Devaram. Okay, the four Romans. Okay, answering one word. Can you say any two advantages of writing diary? Okay, how do we know about the people's lifestyle of old Stone Age? The next question, is inscription a written record? Yes, it is. The inscription is a written record. Okay, what is proto-history? Proto-history is the period between prehistory, then under history, it is here the center of the broader history. Okay, name and epic. Okay, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Manimegalai. Okay, then answer the following. What is history? What is history? History is the past events. Okay, the past events in chronological order. Okay, then after in the what do you know about the prehistoric period? Historic period. What are the sources of available to know about the historic period? Then mention the place of where got the prehistoric tools. The next one. Then what are the benefit of museum? What are the benefit of museum? Name some tools used by early man that hurt animals. Okay. Then why were paintings drawn on rocks? Then name any two artifact. Okay. Name any two artifact. Okay. Then the 11th Roman answer greed. Answer in greed. Okay. Then name any two archaeological sources. Name any two archaeological sources. Artifact, monuments and inscription. Artifact, monuments and inscriptions. Okay. Name the types of literary source. Name the type of literary. Secular and religious. Secular and religious. Okay. Expanded form BCA. Okay. CE. The before common era. Okay. CE means common era. CE means common era. Okay, the next one, what is the meaning of the Greek word historia? The learning by inquiry. Learning by inquiry. Okay, next one. It is the next lesson. Then geography. The geography lesson. Okay. Lesson number 1, geography. The universe and a solar system. Universe and a solar system. Okay. What is meant by the solar system? Okay, how many planets in the solar system? Name the inner planets and outer planets. Okay. Name the inner planets and the outer planets. Okay. Okay, it is the universe and a solar system. The universe and a geography lesson. Geography lesson number 1. The universe. The universe and a solar system. Solar system. Okay. What is meant by the universe? The Milky Way galaxy, solar system, the satellites, all are including. This is called the universe. Okay, it is called the universe. The next one, the solar system. How many planets in the solar system? The center of the sun. It is surrounded in the 8 planets. It is called the solar system. Solar family or solar system. Okay. Then name the planets. Okay. Name the planets. How many planets in the solar system? 8 planets in the solar system. 8 planets in the solar system. Okay. The first planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It is the planet's name. Then the inner planets. Okay. Inner planets means it is the sun. Inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, it is the inner planet. Okay, the nearest sun is the inner planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. This is the 4th planet is the inner planet. Name the outer planet in Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It is the outer planet. It is the big planet. Okay, are you clear now? It is the 8 planets. Okay. The 8 planets in the solar system. 8 planets in the solar system. Okay. The next one, it is the okay, the exercise number filling the blanks. First one, filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one. Okay, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Dash explosion. Answer is Big Bang. Answer is Big Bang. The second one. Dash is the unit used to measure of distance between two celestial bodies. Answer is light year. Light year. Okay, third one. Dash is the center of the solar system. Answer is very good. Sun. Fourth one. The word planet means wanderer. Wanderer. Okay, the fifth one. India's first ever the mission to the moon is Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2. Okay, the sixth one. Earth is inclined by dash degree 23.5 degree. Okay, the seventh one. The equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. Answer is 21st March. 21st March. 21st March and 23rd September. 23rd September. Okay. Then ninth one. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun. Dash to the sun. Closest. Eighth one. Closest. Closest. Okay. Ninth one. Okay, ninth one is the line which divides day and night on the earth's surface of the terminator line. Terminator line. Terminator line. Okay, then the fifth question are the same in the 10th question, number 10. Okay, then dash planet has many natural satellites. Many natural satellites. Jupiter. Answer is Jupiter. Okay, are you clear now, mom? The next one. Next Roman. Choose the correct answer. Next Roman. Choose it. Next Roman. Choose it. First one. The movement of the earth on its axis is called a option C, rotation. Answer is rotation. Then second one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on. Answer D, option B, December 22. December 22. Third one, the galaxy in which our solar system is founded is dash. Answer is Milky Way. Answer is Milky Way. Okay, answer is Milky Way. The fourth one, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed. Answer is B, Moon. Fourth one, Moon. Answer is Moon. Which of the following planets can float on water? Float on water. Okay, answer B, Saturn. Saturn. Okay, circle the add one out. The different word you circle the word. Okay, different word in the circle the word. Okay, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn. The Venus, circle the Venus. Okay, so for example, Venus, the circle. Okay, the next one, the Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, the Magellanic Clouds. It is Sirius. Next one, Pluto, Eris, Sirius, Lu. The Lu. Okay, circle the Lu. The next one, the comet, asteroid, the meteors, the dwarf planet. Answer is dwarf planet. Rover, orbiter, aeroplane, the space shuttle. Aeroplane. The answer is aeroplane. Match the following: hottest planets, the ringed planet, red planet, the summer setting planet, and a coolest planet. Coolest planet and the coolest planet. Okay. Match it. Hottest planet, first one, second one ringed planet, third one red planet, fourth one summer-setting planet, then the coldest planet. Okay. Then the answer is the outside sides. Okay. First one, the hottest planet, Venus. Okay. Then ringed planet, Saturn. The third planet, red planet, Mars. Summer-setting planet is the Uranus. So the coldest planet, Neptune. Coldest planet, the Neptune. Okay. Are you clear now? Then the next one. Answer the following. Next one. Answer the following. Name the inner planets. Name the inner planets. Inner planets means it is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. It is the inner planet. Okay. The next one. It is the Pluto. No longer a planet. Reason out. Okay. Then what is perihelion? What is perihelion? Perihelion is the Earth, the closest position to the sun. It is the perihelion. Okay. How many times in the year the world you find the sun overhead if you lived on the 20° north latitude? Okay, which is a celestial body that shares its orbit with others. You and the examples. Okay, it is the distinction between the inner planet and the outer planet. Okay, the civics lesson number 1, understanding diversity. Okay, what is mean by that? Diversity. Okay, in India people speak the different languages, eat different kinds of food, celebrate their own festival. It is called the diversity. What is meant by the defined diversity? Okay, in India people speak different languages, eat different food, celebrated the own festivals. Okay, are you clear now? Define the diversity. Okay, then the diversity is the different types of the understanding diversity. Diversity in India, land form and lifestyle diversity. Like the people living the plain, the thrift, agriculture, the wild people in the coastal area take to fishing. Then otherwise in the livelihood in the mountain regions, the rearing of animals, the undertaken, the hilly landscape or the supported. Okay. The next one, the land form, the valley, mountains, plains, island, desert and coastal land. The society, the social diversity, the independence and a coexistence. Okay, the family and society, the religious diversity. Okay, it is the social diversity, the linguistic diversity. The next one, the popular dance of India. Popular dance of India. Tamil Nadu, Karagatam, Oyilatam, Kummi, Terukute, Bomalatam, Puliyatam, Kolatam, Tappatam. It is the dance, the different dances. Okay. Then the Kerala, it is the Mohiniyattam. Then the Jammu and Kashmir in the Dungal. The Gujarat is the Dandiya. Then the Rajasthan is the Ghumer. Okay, Uttar Pradesh in the Rashila. The Assam Bigu Festival. It is the unity and diversity. It is the unity and diversity. Okay. Then the first moment, it is choose the correct answer. So, okay. India consists of dash states and dash union territories. Okay. Answer is option B. Then 29,7. Okay, the second one, India is known as, the answer is subcontinent. Subcontinent. Third one, the Mysuru, the land highest rainfall is located in the Meghalaya. Himalaya. The fourth one, which one of the following religion is not the practiced in India? Answer is the Confucianism. Then Confucianism. Then fifth one, the recognized official languages of India as per 8th the scheduled of India, the Constitution. Answer is 22. Answer is 22. Sixth one, Onam festival celebrated in. Onam festival celebrated in. Answer is Kerala. Kerala. The seventh one, Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of Kerala. The same answer. Okay, Kerala. Eighth one, Discovery of India. A book was written by. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Then the post unity in diversity was coined by. Answer is ninth one, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. The next one, 10th one, V.A. Smith called India as the Ethnological Museum. Okay. Then the second Roman pillars. Second Roman pillars. The first one. Okay. Geographical, the future and the climatic condition that determine the dash activities of a region. Answer is economic. Answer is economic. The second one, Jaisalmer, the land of lowest rainfall is located in Rajasthan. Rajasthan. The third one, Tamil was declared as a classical language in the year 2004. 2004. The fourth one, the Bihu festival is celebrated in. Very good. Answer is Assam. Answer is Assam. Okay. Then Nigrayad, the match the following. Nigrayad, the coastal area, Jurassium, united in diversity. Okay. Define the diversity. What is mean by the diversity? In the India, people speak different languages, eat food different kinds of food. Then celebrated their own festivals. It is called the diversity. Okay, what are the types of diversity? How many types? Okay, landform and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity. Okay, then what is India called? The subcontinent. What is called the India subcontinent? Okay, a continent is a very large area of land with a various physical features as mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers and sea, or the various type of the weather patterns in India has all of them. Okay, so India known as the subcontinent. India known as the subcontinent. Okay, write the names of three major festivals celebrated in India: Pongal, Diwali, and Holi. List of the sum of the classical dance of India. Okay, Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Yashkama, and Kuchipudi, Odissi, Manipuri, and the Satri. This is the dances of the India. Okay, then the next one, why is the India called the land, unity and diversity? Okay, then the next one, it is a detailed question. Explain the linguistic diversity and the cultural diversity. Then the India is the land diversity, yet we all the unity discuss. Okay, you are the right, the detailed question, any 5 points you will write. Okay. Okay, then lesson is 3 lesson is finished. The essay 1 portions. Okay, you are the prepared well for the essay 1. Okay, are you clear students? Thank you students.